we're going to travel to,
Kayabuki no Sato.
and it is actually located in Kyoto. And Masa is a private tour guide. I already interviewed him, and he told me that he was previously a professor or an English teacher. So basically, that's the reason why he can speak English so well. And Masa, can you tell us about Osaka?
Osaka is the second biggest city, and Osaka is the center of Japanese food. So Osaka is called Japan's kitchen.
Anything that is special about Kyoto?
Kyoto was a capital in Japan about 150 years ago. So you can see historical buildings and historical houses. So we can see historical houses at Kayabuki no Sato today.
I have a question, Masa. So if you think of the Philippines, what comes into your mind?
My opinion about Philippines.
Yeah, anything that comes into your mind when we say Philippines?
I think people in Philippines are very friendly. I think it's very hot in Philippines, and I have an image. There's a beautiful beaches in Philippines.